Happy Saturday, everyone from Las Vegas. We are at Luxor, and we did good on Mo Mummy. Now we're gonna do good on Frankenstein, right? That is the goal. Come on, Frank. So we're starting with $3 bets. We need some help here. So we need, obviously, It's Alive and Frankenstein's head to fall in. Otherwise, the line hits are very, very bad on this game. Oh, whoops. Where was the It's Alive there? It's so fun to get the It's Alive, but we keep seeing the power-up one. 2 more. It's so subtle when it drops in, it just like burns, like you don't even notice that something cool is happening. Let's do some. Oh my god, it's gonna do it now. Of course, it doesn't have a 60-cent one. One more at least. It's 2 times. Oh, it's a flaming one. 10 mini. Is it gonna do it twice? Yeah. The 3. Alright, alright. Of course it doesn't on the baby bet. But those are like the random line hits that you get. Okay. More flaming heads. That was not good. 10. 75 cents. Any of those, yeah, but if it's the flaming one, it's gonna automatically be one of those other ones up there. Yeah. Okay. Abnormal brain. They like it a lot, yeah. We want to see it on the bigger bets, of course, as any game you play. Kings. Is that lucky people or what? Is it? Oh my goodness! If we got it right there. Oh, 2 more. Oh my god! If we get the It's Alive here with that, it's like masterful.
I haven't seen It's Alive in anything but 60.
Yeah. We saw like the power up. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Or Mr. Mummy? Mr. Franky. Excuse me, they are cousins. Excuse me for not calling you by the correct name. That flaming one would have been good. Come on, don't waste these Franky heads right now. Bright. This. Very bright. This game can be very unforgiving. Keep your power. Okay, finally, come on, heads. It only wants to do it for the tiny baby bets. Oh, because that one was just the power up, so it multiplies these. But It's Alive is actually like the gem. You're trying to get the gem inside of Mo Mummy. And now if we drop anything, it's just like getting the mummy on the first one and then nothing falling in. It's the same thing. Why? Drop the It's Alive. Oh, he counts as a wild too. I forgot. That's good. Yeah, he's a wild too. So. Save the Franky heads. I want to see the free games. Power up. Okay. Oh my god, if that was only the other one, that would have been huge because everyone would have been a money value. Okay, so now those are all a little bit bigger. It's very like quiet game though, so it's kind of like you're not getting too like annoyed by the loud music or you get annoyed by other things. Oh my god, why are the heads showing up now and not in the... How hard is it to get It's Alive? $0.60? Why have you said that you only get it on 60 cents? So maybe true. Why is it so much more frequent on the baby bets? Those are the numbers up there.
What does free games do?
Yeah, it's. I've seen. I totally forgot though. It pretty much. I think it gives you that collect feature, and then you just have to hit the heads. I'm pretty sure. It's See, now we're getting all these flaming heads. Come on. Come on. So you can look at the major on this, which is craziness. It's Alive was right up there, but no heads came anyway. Finally got it. Okay, let's see what it is now. Finally got it. Always gives a little baby bet, but still fun to get it. 8 free games won. Uh-oh. Oh, what's going on? Uh-oh. They're trying to hurt him. No, Franky. It's okay, Frank. It's okay. Just give us that major and we'll protect you, okay? No problem at all. Yes, that's 7,000, right? So now we have way bigger ways to get it. So we need It's Alive right now. Oh, it's only 2 re-triggers. Yeah, 2, that's good. We need It's Alive right now, Franky. Come on. Heads. Flaming heads. Okay. $10, 75 cents. Do you want anything? Thank you, we're back. Thank you. She knows we need the good luck. 5 of a kind. What? That didn't count? Oh my god. Just that second one didn't connect. I thought for sure that was a 5 of a kind. It's so hard to get line hits in this game. Come on, It's Alive. A lot of heads. Franky. More. Okay, alright, 5. Let's go. Some of them can just randomly flame too. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, 10, alright. So it can randomly turn to the hot one too. We have 2 more spins. Big win, okay. So big, that's what she said. Everyone's at $20. Hey, don't count us sell short there. Come on, one more, It's Alive. See, we almost got that line hit last time. It would have been pretty huge. Yes, come on. Yes, more flaming ones. Flamers. Yes, okay. Chance for flamers. Okay, no. Keep that to yourself. 10, alright. Okay. Alright, a little bit more back. Big win again. Everyone's gonna see our huge win. That's actually a good size win for the bet we were doing, so yeah. That is a big win. You can be happy about that, Franky. We'll be okay with it too. We would have taken one more. The total win. 50, 59. Alright, that's almost 100x. We'll do a couple backup spins and then skedaddle. And okay. Hello? Oh my god. I said we'll do a couple of backup spins and then we'll skedaddle. And then what? Franky's like, no, he's scared again. Oh no. They're gonna, oh no, they're back. Oh no, poor Franky. This is ridiculous. He has to relive this. Sorry, Franky. We have to go through this together again, but You know, we'll be here to protect you if you give us that one. Okay, come on. Franky, Franky. More. Big. Okay, one big one. 10. 75 whole cents. All right, starting it off with a bang. Let's get some more, yeah, where were you last spin? 2 more free games, so we get free spins, remember that? That was crazy, just literally, let's do a couple backup spins. The first one, magnificence. Yes, more, yes, more. Oh, I got it. Come on, some flames. If he starts flaming up, then it's big. Yes, back-to-back spin king. Some of them flame. Oh, that's good. All right, we like to see that. This is pretty good for the size of the bet, people. So, big win again. We get to show off. We're showing off our big, huge win. Thank you. Yes. Let's flaunt that. Come on again. I wonder if we can get power up in this, or maybe not. I don't know. Oh, yes. Same. A full row. One. Not 75 cents, please. 10. Of course. Not even $1. Okay. How many more spins do we have? 0. Oh, line hit. Okay, that was hilarious, people. Okay. So that was funny. But let's see if we can do the impossible back-to-back-to-back backup spins. So we're gonna do 5, I think. 1. No, not this time. Oh. Oh my god, again. Oh my god. Okay, that got another spin out of me. Oh, worthless spin. Okay, alright, that was hilarious. That was fun. We had a lot of fun. This game has potential. I don't know why I didn't give us anything on the bigger bets, but we had fun. And we'll see you in the next one. Come play Franky. He's a nice guy.